Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Lessons by Ron, and today we're going to learn Time Machine. I hope you all are in good health. The topics we're going to learn today are concept of AM and PM, digital and analog clocks, the 24-hour clock, converting AM and PM to 24-hour clock and back to AM and PM. Conversion of bigger units of time. So, firstly, we're going to see what AM and PM denotes. AM denotes anti-meridian and PM denotes post-meridian. Now, the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is also at 12. It is hard to figure out whether it is 12 noon or 12 midnight. To avoid confusions of these types, we use the words or the terms AM and PM. This denotes the time of a day we are referring to. To denote times from midnight to noon, we use the word AM, and to denote times from noon to midnight, we use the word PM. So I've prepared some select the correct options for you, and we will learn these with the two examples given over here. Immediately after sunrise, it is morning or evening? Yes, friends, it is morning. After sunset, it is day or night? Yes, friends, it is night. When the sun is overhead, it is noon or day? Of course, it is noon. Anti-meridian denotes PM or AM? Yes, anti-meridian denotes AM. Anti means, for anti the short form is A, and for meridian M. So that's why it is AM. So I've prepared some clocks for you, and we will solve these two examples. So the hour hand is at 4 and the minute hand is at 12. So we write the hour hand at 12, so we write 4 is at 4. So we write 4 here. And the minute hand is at 12, so we write 00. So it is 4 o'clock. I'm not telling if it is AM or PM because it could be 4 AM in the morning. It could be also 4 PM, which is afternoon. And then we have another one. The hour hand is pointing towards 10. And the minute hand is pointing towards 7, the 12. So we write it as 00. Again, I'm not telling if it is 12, it is 10 o'clock in the morning or 10 o'clock in the night. Lastly, we have example that the hour hand is between 8 and 9. So we write it at 8 because the minute hand is at 6 and 5:30. We write the minute as 30. Analog and digital clocks. In the analog clocks, the hour hand moves once in every hour. When the minute hand moves from one number to the next number. From here, let's suppose it's moving from 12 to 1. This span is 5 minutes. It covers 5 minutes. Some other time it comes back to 12. 5 into 12, 60. It completes 60 minutes. So 1 hour is same as 60 minutes. Now we will learn what is a digital clock. Digital clocks usually show the time in 24-hour clock, like this one, like this digital clock over here, which is showing 10:08 a.m. The 24-hour format. In this format, time of a day is written in the form of hour, minute. 00 hours or 24 hours represent 12 midnight. 12 hours represent 12 noon. Between midnight and the midnight of the next day, time is shown as 1 a.m., which means 1 hours, 3 a.m., which means 3 hours, 1 p.m., which means 13 hours, and 3 p.m., which means 15 hours. So after 12 p.m., it continues on to 13, 14, not like in the AM, it starts over from 1. It continues till 24. Now let's do some practice. Convert AM and PM. Convert AM and PM to 24-hour clock. 2:15 p.m. 2:15 p.m. Because it is PM, we add 12 to the hours place. So what is 12 plus 2? Yes, friends, it is 14. And we leave the minute hand as itself, so we write 15 as itself. So 1, 5. And we write hours because it's 24-hour clock. I'm writing H period for hours. 4:50 a.m. Because it is AM, we write the time as itself. At 4, then write 50. And we add hours for 24-hour clock. 11:20 p.m. Because of its PM, we add 12 to the hours place. So what is 12 plus 11? Yes, friends, it is 23. 23. And we leave the minute hand as itself, so we write it 20. 20 hours. So now we have another instruction: convert 24-hour clock to AM and PM. So first one, we have example of 1725 hours. Because it is more than 12 hours, we subtract 12 from 17. So what is 17 minus 12? Yes, friends, it is 5. So we write 5 colon colon 25. And because of we subtracted 12, we write PM. 2:10 hours. Because the hours place is less than 12, we write it as itself. We write the time as itself. So we write 2:10 a.m. Because we didn't subtract 12, we write it as AM. 22:55 hours. Because it is more than 12, we subtract 12 from 22. So what is 22 minus 12? Yes, friends, it is 10. 10 colon 55. We add the minutes place as itself, so 50 5. And we write it PM because we subtracted 12. PM. Conversion of bigger units of time. 30 days make a month. 365 days make a year. 12 months also make up a year. In a year, so some people have confusions between identifying which months have 31 days and which month have 30 days. So to avoid this confusion, take your right hand and the first knuckle of your right hand, we count it as January. So, and then we come between two knuckles, between first and second knuckle, this is February. And the knuckles are the months that are in the knuckles have 31 days, and the months that are between knuckles have 28 days, 29 days, or 30 days. 28 and 29 days is only for February. So the first knuckle is January, between first and second knuckle February, second knuckle March, between second and third knuckle April, and then so on. Moving, and July and August both have 31 days because we're actually changing the hand. We're changing from the right hand to the left hand. February has 28 days. In a year, January, March, May, July, August, October, and December have 31 days. April, June, September, and November have 30 days. February has 28 days. Once in every 4 years, February has 29 days. It has one more day. It has one more day. February has one more day, so it's 29. Last was 28. Now it is 29 every 4 years. And that year is called the leap year, a leap year. Leap year has 366 days because February has one more day, and a typical year has 365 days, so it's one more day, so it's 366 days. Let's do some practice. So I prepared some converting years into months for you, and we will do it together to understand how to convert years into months. The first one says 3 years is equal to how many months? So first we write 3 into 12. 3 into 12. I write 12 because 1 year is equal to 12 months. So and there is 3 years. So what is 3 into 12? Yes, friends, it's 36. The next one, we have 15 years. So what is 15 into 12? Because 1 year has 12 months. 15 into 12. What is 15 and 12? Yes, it is 180. Right, 180 months. So 15 years is same as 180 months. Lastly, we have 9 years and 2 months. Firstly, we have 9 into 12 plus the extra 2 months. So what is 9 into 12? Yes, friends, it is 108. And we have to add this 2. What is 108 plus 2? Yes, it is 110. So 9 years, 2 months is same as 110 months. So now I have prepared some months into years for you. And we will do it together to understand it clearly. 144 months is equal to. Before I'm going there, I'm saying that 12 months make up a year. So 144 months is equal to 144 divided by 12. Well, 144 divided by 12? Yes, friends, it is 12. So 144 months is same as 12 years. What is 72 months? 70. So we write 72 divided by 12. So what is 72 divided by 12? Yes, friends, it's 6 years. So 72 months is same as 6 years. Lastly, we have 192 months. So what is 192 divided by 12? 192 divided by 12 is 16. So 192 months is same as 16 years. So I've completed the time machine chapter for you today. Please like and comment if you have enjoyed my video today, and also subscribe my channel if you have liked my videos. Bye and thank you.